So, my friends, next up, we will move right along. We've got Michael Moe, the CEO and co founder at Kulr Technology. And as we get him over here, it's KULR. That's the ticker, KULR. And again, we've got Michael Moe. So, Michael, as you come over, just throw your video and your and unmute yourself. There we go. Can you hear me?
Yes, hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you just fine. Love that picture behind you.
Great, thank you so much. Let me share my screen, make sure the presentation is up. Can you see the presentation?
I can, yes.
Great. How does this look? It's okay?
It looks perfect. Go to town, my friend.
Great, thank you so much. Hey, good morning. Thank you for joining the Kulr investor presentation today. Appreciate your time. My name is Michael Moe. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kulr Technology. Safe harbor statement, the customary stuff. Quick introduction about Kulr. We come from over 30 years of heritage of developing carbon fiber thermal energy management solutions for space applications. Our products are trusted by NASA to be used on the Mars Rover 2020 program, the International Space Station, and numerous different aerospace and defense applications. Our mission is to take these space-proven technologies and apply to the world of lithium-ion batteries and electronics to keep them cooler, lighter, and safer. Our customers include the likes of Lockheed Martin, Airbus, Raytheon, and other commercial customers. And our technology target multiple billion-dollar markets such as the EV, energy storage, lithium-ion battery shipment. And our management team have decades of experience in technology development, marketing, and public company finances. I'd like to go over our technology portfolio. Our core technology is a carbon fiber matrix material that's very lightweight and conduct heat more efficiently than other materials. On the battery safety solution side, our Hydro TRS thermal runaway shield product is used on the International Space Station to store astronauts' laptop batteries and Microsoft Surface Pro safely without the risk of fire and explosion on board. The LERA ISC technology is invented by NASA JSC to test for battery safety for space applications such as astronaut spacesuit. Kulr is the exclusive worldwide perpetual licensee and commercialization partner for NASA for this application. It's now used by EV customers, electric aviation, energy storage, and other consumer products. Our ERA product is a technology on board Mars Rover 2020 to keep their lasers and sensors operating ideal conditions on Mars. Crux is our carbon fiber cathode technology for direct energy applications for DoD customers. We solve heat and safety problems for battery and electronics. As many of you know, batteries can overheat, and then it can catch fire and then have the catastrophic event and exploding. This problem can lead to cars, warehouses, and even passenger jets catch on fire. Electronics and chips overheating will reduce the system performance and reliability. So our proprietary core technology is a carbon fiber material, as you see the picture here, that provides superior thermal conductivity and heat dissipation properties in ultra lightweight and compliant configuration. Our patented technologies isolate and contain battery cell fires and explosions. We have trade secrets and IP in manufacturing this carbon fiber material, and we make our own equipment to build these structures. Our engineering team has been working together for over 20 years. We have 10 granted patents, and the most recent one providing protection up to 2036. As excited as we are about the space missions and programs, we're more excited about the opportunity to apply our technologies to multiple billion-dollar markets, such as energy storage, EV, and 5G cloud computing infrastructure. The global lithium-ion battery market will hit $100 billion by 2024. We believe battery safety is a critical aspect of enabling this $100 billion market. Lithium-ion battery recycling industry will grow to $18 billion by 2030, and transportation safety is a critical component of that. EV markets forecast to grow from 3.3 million units in 2019 to 27 million units by 2030. And the global thermal management and device market is forecast to reach over $16 billion by 2024, driven by the proliferation of cloud computing, AI, and upcoming 5G deployment, where more data and faster network, smaller devices are all driving need for better heat management. Our growth strategy is the following. We collaborate and innovate with government agencies such as NASA, US Air Force, Department of Energy to develop cutting-edge technology for these energy applications. Then we work with government and regulatory bodies such as UN, FAA to bring awareness Kulr's technology to be included in the regulatory roadmap. Then we apply these technology to commercial mass market applications such as energy storage, EV, and cloud infrastructure. We take a multi-pronged approach to serve our customers in different markets. Most of our engagements start with engineering design and testing. Once we've developed a customized solution for the customer engagement, we offer them the product for sale or an IP license for high volume customers. This allows the customers to be flexible, to integrate our products into the supply chain and make it more scalable and potentially lower the cost for everybody. It's important for our shareholders to know that Kulr's business model continues to evolve from being a component supplier to provide more design and testing service to our customers. The next phase of evolution is to provide that system solution, is to provide a total system solution to address market needs. To scale up as a system provider more quickly and efficiently in markets such as direct energy, hypersonic vehicle, thermal management, and energy storage, and lithium-ion battery recycling, Kulr will actively seek partners for joint venture, technology licensing, and other strategic partner initiatives. The goal is to leverage Kulr's thermal design expertise, the portfolio of our IP, to create market-leading products, which Kulr will take to market directly and capture more value for our shareholders. Quick overview of our management team. My name is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder, CEO of the company. I've been with the company since 2013. I've been in the semiconductor and technology industry for over 25 years. I received my undergrad and graduate degree, master's degree in electrical engineering and computer science from UC Santa Barbara. Dr. Tim Knowles has over 30 years of experience in thermal management and high power energy markets with carbon fiber. He has a PhD in physics from UC San Diego. He's led the team to develop products for the ISS, the Mars rover, Mercury Messenger, and all these aerospace and defense applications. Simon Westbrook is our CFO. He has been CFO for NASDAQ-listed companies as well as private companies since the 1990s. Mike Carpenter is our VP of Engineering, who's been developing these applications for over 30 years as well. Update on some of our clients and customer engagements. On the government and defense side, Kulr supplied Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, with the ISC technology to evaluate for passenger lithium-ion battery malfunctions that can cause fire and smoke incidents aboard aircrafts. The most exciting event for 2020 for us was the launch of the Mars rover Perseverance in July. Kulr's heatsink was part of the Sherlock instrument on the rover and now on its way to Mars. Our heatsink keeps the optics and sensors on the rover in optimal operating conditions. They are literally the eyes and ears for the rover to look for signs of life on Mars. We work with NASA Marshall Space Center to build 3D printed battery system for manned and robotic space applications. The goal is to eventually 3D print our safe battery solution on the moon as part of the Artemis project. Our TRS solution is on board International Space Station to safely store laptop batteries, as well as Microsoft Surface Pro for the astronauts. And we work with DoD prime contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Leidos, and others on direct energy, hypersonic, and the missile programs. On the commercial side, we have recently announced a number of commercial customer engagements. We partner with Airbus Defense and Space to use Kulr's passive propagation resistant PPR solution to research for lithium-ion battery safety and testing for flight applications. Kulr has a partnership with a leading global electronics component and battery supplier, which is a leading supplier to key electronic components in smartphones such as Apple's iPhone, to build our ISC technology into their battery for testing for battery safety. And Kulr is to license our TRS PPR technology to the partner in commercial phase. We're working with Volta Energy products to provide our TRS technology to implement for stationary energy storage modules for energy grid applications. We've also supplied a Silicon Valley-based Draco Motors, who builds a super EV vehicle that's 1,200 horsepower with a top speed of 206 miles per hour. We're literally deploying the thermal technology on the Mars rover 2020 into their fastest EV to cool their battery pack. Here's a quick snapshot of the Kulr Technology Group. Throughout 2020, we have strengthened our balance sheet with over $2.5 million in cash as of the end of Q3. Our burn rate is approximately $200,000 per month. We have a strong and growing patent portfolio, and our insider ownership is approximately 45%. We believe that Kulr provides a compelling investment opportunity for investor shareholders. We've been trading on the OTC market since 2018. We recently filed our 14C for the board to take certain actions to prepare for uplist to a national senior exchange. Our space-proven battery safety technology is a critical platform play for multiple billion-dollar high-growth markets such as EV, energy storage, and others. We have a robust and growing patent portfolio, both developed internally and through exclusive licensing arrangements with NASA and DOE. Our business model evolution is to transform a component supplier to an integrated design and testing part supplier to ultimately a total system provider to capture more value to our shareholders. And so we look forward to a strong growth year in 2021 and hopefully on a senior national exchange to attract more investor shareholders to join our mission to apply the space-proven technology, make the world the world of battery and electronics cooler, lighter, and safer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Michael. Very much appreciated. We really, really, really appreciate you coming on. This is cool stuff. Next generation technology. So thank you. The ticker again is KULR. And Michael, the email address on here, ir@kulrtechnology.com, is that the best place for folks to reach out?
Yeah, that's the best place for folks. Any investor related questions, please reach out to that. Mario D'Souza, our Director of Corporate Development, some additional sales, marketing related, PR related, both address works. Yeah. And then if investor or shareholders interested, my personal email address is very simple. It's michael.mo@kulrtechnology.com. So I'd love to hear from our shareholders and the investors as well.
Great, Michael. Well, thank you so much. We wish you guys all the best. Have a great end of the year, and I'm sure we'll hear from you again soon.
Great. Thank you so much.
All right. Take care.